Hello everyone. Today we're going to paint with acrylic. We're going to do the beautiful dandelion seeds. Okay, let's start with the 2 inches brush and the black, blue, and white. Let's start. You put a lot of paint in your brush and then it goes with the dark color first. In the 2 corners and the middle of the paper, we're going to put a dark color, and later on we're going to add lighter color on other areas. Okay, you just move your brush back and forth so it covers most of the area. This is the prepare your paper. Okay, it's the first layer, so no to such a things, you just have to cover all over the place. Okay, and then at this time it's still wet, so you can put white color mix into the blue, all right, and then it will look lighter blue. So in the top you put some more white to make lighter on the middle of the paper. All right, this is the way how we prepare it, and then we wait until it's dried up. Yeah, just like this. Pretty simple, right? So yeah, put a little more white to make the contrast. Okay, like the light area. All right, let's wait until it's dried up. We come back for more. Okay. Okay, we're back. Now find a fan brush like this, little rough, okay? And then put white on it, and you go ahead and then put it on top first, the top one. We have 3 dandelion seeds, remember? We just goes around here 1 strike, there's 1 strike. So fan brush is good, it doesn't cover all the areas. You see, you leave some spot. So that's where it look like the dandelion had the seed goes see-through. The bottom one is a little bit smaller, okay? So once you do the bottom one, you need to use a corner to make it smaller. Yeah, you see, I use a corner, okay? After we did the smaller one, we're going to do something really cool, okay? You get some water on the brush, the same brush, and then you go around the white dandelion seed we just draw, and then you just bend the brush with your finger, let the paint spray on the paper, okay, around the, remember closer, so it will spray around the dandelion seeds. Okay, now find a small brush, we get some white and just make some dot around it. Okay, the bigger one, because the brush we did is pretty little. Okay, the dot, so we're going to go around the dandelion seed, make some a little bit bigger circles. Okay, so you can just put more paint in the brush. You just push gently each one at a time. Okay, let's go ahead, keep going on the 3 of them. Okay, after this, we're going to do the stamp. Okay, make some dark green and use the same brush is fine. Just goes down. Yeah, just put a lot paint in your brush, so that's way easier to cover all the color in the background. Okay, after this dark color, we're going to get light green and put it on the light part. Okay, this is the dandelion seed back. There's some green shells in the bottom. Okay, let's just use the same brush, get some green. This green is a little lighter than the one we use. Okay, it just goes around. You just push the brush harder and lift it. Okay, to the end is lighter and thinner. Okay. Okay, now we switch to a smaller brush like this, and then we get some light green. Going to add highlight. So it just goes a little bit here, a little bit there to add into the dark green we got before, and that makes look like it's somewhere light hitting that spot is colors lighter. Okay, those called highlight. Okay, now we add highlights on. Look pretty much clear now. Let's add some leaves. Every plant have leaves, okay? That will make even look better. Or we just put a few here and here, a little bit on the bottom, okay? And then also we need light color too. It's the same as the stamp we did. Ooh, that's look pretty good. Yes, pretty simple, right? So keep going and add some details. We're going to make the seed free. Alright, let's get a small brush like the thinnest one that you can get. And then put a lot paint on it. You just put a dot here and there. Just make the seed like they're flowing away. Alright? Alright, so we'll keep on working on the seed. So take your time to do your paintings, okay? And then you see later you will have more and more stuff you can paint. That your skills will go more and more. So keep practice, okay? Okay, we're done with today's lesson. Okay, help you learn new stuff. And then remember, after you're done, always put everything away and wash your brushes. Keep them clean for next time, okay? Okay, don't forget to sign your name, and then we'll see you in next lesson, okay?